Time is expressed by two main units, the hour of the day and the minute of the day. When you hear someone say 12:30, they mean that the hour of the day is 12 and the minute of the day is 30. Together, these numbers give us enough information to know exactly what part of the day it is. Let's talk about the concept of a full day. A day is made up of 24 hours. You probably already know this, but it's this fact that builds the foundation for every clock. A traditional clock is divided by the number of hours in a day. But instead of showing all 24 hours in a day, it only shows half of them, 12. There are a number of reasons for this, one being to save space. If a clock showed all 24 hours of the day and all the minutes in a day, it would be crowded and pretty hard to read. So here we have a circle with 12 marks around it, representing 12 hours of the day. Most clocks have numbers next to these marks, allowing you to tell what hour of the day it is. You can see that 12 is listed at the top of the circle, followed by 1, then 2, then 3, and so on, all the way around the circle back to 12. As you can probably guess, time is tracked by the movement around these 12 numbers in order, from 1 to 12. This rotation direction is called clockwise. Now let's talk minutes. In addition to being divided by hour, a clock is also divided into 60 minutes. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. See how that all fits together? So now how do we know what hour and minute of the day it is? We use clock hands to do this. A clock has two different hands, an hour hand and a minute hand, the hour hand being the shorter one. Each hand turns clockwise to point to the number it represents. The hour hand will only point directly at a number when the minute hand is on 12. At all other times, the hour hand will be somewhere in between two numbers. This means that if the hour hand is between the 1 and the 2, it is 1 something, meaning it could be 1:15, 1:34, or 1:55. But once the minute hand reaches 12, the hour hand reaches 2, and then it's 2 o'clock. For example, when it's 4:38, the minute hand will be pointing at the 38-minute mark, and the hour hand will be between 4 and 5. And at 6:55, the minute hand will be pointing to the 55-minute mark, and the hour hand will be somewhere between 6 and 7, almost at 7. Telling time can be difficult at first, but with practice, you'll be an expert in no time. GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.